Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, yes, sorry I haven't been on in a while, but today I'm not going to do a house tour just yet because I'm still getting settled, but the house is wonderful. I'm renting a basement of a house and my room is much bigger, so it's been very nice. But I will get to that soon, so my apologies for that. But today I wanted to show you something really exciting. This is something that I found out browsing around at Walmart.com. I typed in handbags and up came a bag from a company called Richports. So go to Walmart.com and type in the search, one word, Richports. And they make, it's obviously a Chinese company, what it looks like. And they they make knockoff LV bags. And the exciting thing is, these are bags that I haven't seen in a long time available anywhere on the internet. Like, these are the exciting LV type of bags, you know, because I can't afford them. So I just do what I can to get stuff that looks like them every now and then. So these are like the only type of knockoff bags that I'll buy. And Noble Strength did a video on one of these bags, and it's a new LV bag. And the one that she bought was like a replica from Amazon, but this one is really exciting. Wait till you see it. I don't know what it's gonna quite look like because the reviews are kind of mixed on Walmart.com. Most of them are pretty good. Like, it's kind of like a grab bag, but if need be, I can return it. But I am very excited. I hope it turns out good. So, anyways, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay. So, I hope it turns out good. Okay, better be good. Now, mind you, these bags, I can tell they've been folded and flattened, and that's apparently how Louis Vuitton does their bags. When you buy, like, for example, the Neverfull, they come like this. So you're going to have to stuff them, which is what I'll have to do. So let's do the exciting one first. Okay. Well, they wrap it pretty tightly. That's kind of good. Ooh. Making sure you can see that. Oh, here we go. Comes with a little dust bag. Not really fancy. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Here it is. Okay. This is looking really good. Okay. Okay, you can see that. And there's one more part to this bag. Okay, well, there's the strap. This is a nice nylon. Oh, and you get another strap, like a thin one. But here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is really nice. It does smell kind of like a weird plastic, but you know, these can air out. I've had them air out before and they work pretty good. Okay. So I apologize, I forget the name of this bag, like the Louis Vuitton version, but basically this is the chain. So it comes with the chain. Ooh. Is this how it goes? I don't remember. Okay, oh, here we go. So this is a really cute little key pouch. Has a little clip here. Does not say Louis Vuitton on it, so that's good. Okay. And I believe it hooks here. No? Ooh. Sorry about this. Okay, right there. You guys, I think I'm doing this wrong, so I'm sorry. Anyways, I'll just show it to you like this. Okay. So this is kind of what the bag looks like, and I believe the chain can go right here, but this somehow hooks onto here. And there it is. This is the brand new LV bag knockoff. It does smell kind of funny. You have the zipper pouch here. And it's just a brown cloth interior. And you have a slip pocket here. That's cute. I like that. It's the back. But yeah, I think the chain goes here. No, it doesn't. Anyways, but in the pictures, this hangs here. It's like a little key pouch. Or coin purse, sorry. And here's the strap. It's like the original Louis Vuitton, I believe. It's the nylon with a little bit of faux leather there. And then you have the option of the strap. This is cute. I love this. Gorgeous. I love it because I love small bags as well. So I got another bag. Okay. Open it up. This comes with a dust bag. Ooh. Brown dust bag. Okay. Not really that fancy. Ah, handles. Ooh, this is good. By the way, you guys, search this up because they make a lot of bags and they're cute. Cute. If you like replica bags. Ooh. Okay. And by the way, I already know this is big. Oh, I didn't order this. I accidentally ordered this one. Okay. Oh, no. This is right. This is right. Okay. So, I forget the name they call it, but it's probably like, you know, drawstring bag. Or something generic. I think it's generic. Okay. So, let's do it up how it's supposed to. Doesn't smell as potent as the other one, so that's good. So, yeah, let's see. Okay. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? This is really cute. Now, it's not the best quality because this is not real leather, but this is a type of coated cotton. It does need to be stuffed. No feet on the bottom, but this is a roomy bag. And Louis Vuitton makes one almost identical to this. And it's like, it's not the No Way, but it's a different one. It's like a drawstring. Here's the strap. See that? Yep. And the red trim on that. So it just goes on the side. And this is cute. And the quality, you know, it's really big, but I like crossbody. And it's not that heavy, you guys. This is light. Something in Japanese. Alright. Or Chinese, sorry. The interior, it's not a very good cotton interior. I'll tell you that. I think it's polyester. But inside, it's the fuchsia color, or slash red. I can't remember. But anyways, there's a zipper pocket here. And you do have 2 slip pockets here. Like I said, this is more of a polyester, but hey, it's cute. And anyways, it's cute to look at. So, let me draw that in again. But, it's not good quality per se, but the coated cotton, I would say, is pretty good quality. So, oh, and you have the fake leather trim on the side, just like Louis Vuitton does their bags on some of them. But, yeah. Cute. Well, it looked better before. But anyways, yeah, it's a big version. I like it. That's cute. But, yeah, once again, here's this bag. I love this. This is so cute. But yeah, I'm just going to let it air out and just get kind of some of the plastic smell out. But yeah, I would say, oh, and the other feature on this is it has the little, it just has a lock here with no key inside. And that's a lot like the original. So, yep, those are the bags I have. Like I said, I'll do a house tour as soon as I can. It's just been really crazy. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you, by the way, to my newer subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks.